Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we want to present about our business which name is Nature's Nest Spa. We go to the next page which is contents. First is organization chart, second is business objective, third is products and service, fourth is group montage, and fifth is about us and website.
Overview of our company's organization chart. At the top, we have our dedicated manager, the leadership Nur Auni, binti Hasamuddin, supported by a dynamic team of assistants, Nurin Amanina, binti Zuraidi. Moving forward, our marketing, Naadhiroh binti Md Mohammed Sharif, and finance department, Amalin Safiah binti Md Radzi. Lastly, our customer service team, Nur Anisha binti Che Anuar.
Objective: improving health, beauty, and give relaxation through treatments in our spa. Second, create a harmonious, friendly workflow and activities between customer and our staff. Third, provide a space where you could go to relax your body and your mind. Fourth, to enhance the inner and outer beauty and confidence of our customer. Vision. Our vision is to serve and pamper our guests in indulgent way to feel the luxurious of our spa touch. Next, help our client to feel their best and boosting their self-confidence by nurturing their inner and outer peace. Lastly, to create an earth-friendly environment from the moment you walk in. Mission. Our mission in sales is to generate more sales and market share. Quality. To ensure our product quality is always in control. Customer. Increasing in customer satisfaction and gain their trust and leave a good feedback. Healing. Provide a haven of relaxation and healing through the art of massage therapy by our expert.
In Nature's Nest Spa, we provide many products and service to our customers. First of all, our first product is Natural Skincare Set. This skincare set is known for providing remarkable results. With natural ingredients that we use, it's good for dull skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, or acne skin type. Natural skincare products are better for our skin and environment than a synthetic skincare product. Next, we have natural body and hair care. Natural and organic body and hair care products are made from ingredients that are gentle for your body and scalp. By using our body and hair care product, you can achieve good skin and healthy scalp. In our Natural Nest Spa, we also have natural candle aromatherapy. Candles sourced from natural ingredients can help to improve mood, reduce stress and anxiety. Besides, it can improve the quality of our sleeps. Whether you want to create a relaxing atmosphere in your home, this natural candle aromatherapy can be a valuable tool to promote mental health and well-being. Other than that, we also have natural perfume scent. Perfume is the best way to take care of yourself. Perfume can ensure you smell good, uplifting the mood and boosting confidence. the benefit of our perfume is we use healthier ingredients that are generally free of synthetic chemicals that can cause irritation and allergic for some skin types. This makes our product a healthier and safer option for the skin. Moreover, our spa also provide manicure treatment. Regularly scheduling manicure will ensure that nails are in good condition and the skin on hand is well cared and soft. Manicure also keep your nails clean, strong and preventing breakage. Manicure can maintain healthy of your nails and boost your confidence with many beautiful designs. Last but not least is henna drinks. Henna is a natural wonder. As we know, painting henna requires patience and talent. But in our spa, we can do all the henna dream designs that you want at an affordable price.
Next is our company montage. In this video, we can see an overview of the products and services that we offer. So let's watch the video.
In the last page is about us and website. Nature's Nest Spa, we provide you a variety of service and products that can help you boost your confidence and beneficial to your body and skin. Our products are made from organic ingredients that good to your skin and body. Address is at 51 Sultan Ismail Street, Bukit Bintang, 50250 Kuala Lumpur. Our shop opening hours is from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. For Saturday from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. Sunday close. You also can contact us at our phone number. Also allows you to book our service anytime you want. From our website, you will know that our product all made from natural and organic products. You also can get free shipping if you buy our products above 50 ringgit or more. From our website, you will also know about our service which is spa, manicure and henna. From our website, you also can buy our products such as body wash, shampoo, hair serum and face serum. You also can buy our fragrance such as aromatherapy candle and perfume. For more information, you can contact us at 603-608-18424, or you can visit our website to buy or to know more information about us.